In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy a channel link on Slack effortlessly. Whether you're a seasoned Slack user or new to the platform, this quick tutorial will guide you through the process step by step, ensuring you can easily share channel links with your team or save them for future reference. Let's get started. First, of course, you'll want to open Slack. If you're using the desktop version, go ahead and launch the application on your computer. Alternatively, if you're on a mobile device, tap on the app to get started. Slack is your hub for collaboration, and having easy access to functions like copying channel links is just one more way it can help streamline your workflow. Next, navigate to the channel whose link you wish to share. This could be a channel dedicated to a specific project, team, or topic. You'll want to make sure you're inside the right channel before proceeding to the next steps. In the Slack interface, channels are displayed on the left panel, so simply click or tap on the channel name to enter it. Once you're in the channel, focus your attention on the top right corner of your screen. Here, you'll find 3 vertical dots. This is your menu button, and it houses several useful functions. Click or tap these 3 dots to reveal additional options for the channel you're in. It's a small icon, but it opens up a world of possibilities for managing your Slack environment. After clicking on the 3 dots, a drop-down menu will appear. This menu contains various actions you can perform related to the channel. You will want to look for the option that says Copy Link. Click on this option, and just like that, the link to the channel will be copied directly to your clipboard, and that's it. It's as simple as that. You now have the channel link copied and ready to be shared or saved as needed. Whether you're sending it in an email, pasting it into a document, or sharing it via another app, this link is now at your fingertips. So there you have it. A quick and easy way to copy a channel link in Slack. Remember, being able to share channel links can enhance collaboration within your team by providing quick access to important discussions and resources. As always, feel free to replay this video if you need a quick refresher in the future. Thanks for watching, and happy Slacking!